First, let's take a piece of cardboard and fold it into an L shape. Now, let's add some personality to the rooms. We can create separate areas this way with green and pink. And remember to cover the floor of each room, too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play a game together. Let's find the orange. What should we use to find it? Magnifying glass. Not right.
Nope.
Not right. Wrong. Exactly. Wow! We have a blind bag. Let's open it and see what's inside. A beautiful orange head. Let's make a cabinet for Oren. Add orange edges to the cabinet. Put the cardboard together to form a round cabinet. Let's make an L-shaped kitchen table. Stack the cardboard and decorate the orange one for the kitchen cabinet. Then add the cabinet doors and edges. Then mix these two clumps of clay together to make a kitchen table. Add kitchen utensils.
I brought you this straw to make a faucet.
Oh, thanks, Cookie. Use scissors to cut off the excess. Let's wash vegetables in the new sink. Add a kitchen table. Then make a chair. I'll make a sun chair. Clean his face. Open it and see what's inside. Let's add the TV and the cupboard to the house first.
Guess where I hid it?
You hid it here right.
Exactly! Use this cardboard, Tina.
Thanks, I'll use it. Make a bed from this cardboard. Decorate the bed in blue. Make a lighter blue mattress for the bed. Decorate the mattress to your liking. Let's make a small cupboard to put on the headboard. Add this swing and these potted plants to the house, guys. Follow me and make a green character. Decorate his face and you're done! Then make a Wenda character. Decorate his face. Give him another hairdo.